All right, hello peeps. This is a Hamilton Bay. Now I took the cover off this. This is a serial number and model. So it's a model HB40. Okay. Now this one we don't know if it works or not. We took it apart. You take the cover off, and you take off the screws. Very easy. 3 on the bottom, 1 on the top, and then on this side, same thing. 3 on the bottom, and 1 in the middle on the top. And then you pop off the knob, and then there's a switch. And you disconnect the switch and then pop up the switch. Now I reconnected the switch right here, and I put the wires back in, and the switch is right there. You have to have that in. The wires have to be connected or else it won't turn on. So this is the back of it, the compressor and the fan motor, and all the wires going to it. So I know it turns on, but we're going to test and compare it to our other Hampton Bay. Oh my gosh, Hampton Bay. This is Hampton Bay too. But this is a different model. This is the HB30. Not too much of a difference. It's got the knob on top too, no switch. Anyways, we know this one works, okay? We can't get the stupid cover off because somebody, whenever they put this thing together, they rounded the screws. So it's very hard to get off. I can't get it off, darn thing. Anyways, okay, assistant, can you plug the the one that we don't know works? Mm-hmm. Can you plug this in? Yeah. Plug that one on. Plug that in.
Oh, wait, here.
Yep, there you go. Oh, and there's the fan. There's the fan. Fan's working. It's running. We got the switch on. Now, the switch, you can turn it to high or low. See, it goes to low or high. We're going to put it on high for this test. Okay? So this is one we don't know if it works. We're going to check it against this one that we know works. I'm going to crank this baby up. I'm going to put it on the max. We're going to watch it and see what the one that works. We're going to see what happens. We're going to watch the coils. Now these are coils, so it's not a big deal if you touch it. This one. So we don't know if this one's like leaking or what. Maybe it leaked the Freon or whatever the coolant is, and maybe it's not working because of that. I had to clean this out. This was a mess. Anyways, so of course the filter will go right here. But for this test, we just want to see what happens with the coils. The one that works, well, it's getting very, very cold. Want to touch it, assistant? Don't touch the fins.
Oh, yeah.
Just the coils. Cool. Okay, okay, hold on. And then come touch this. Is it getting cold?
Oh, yeah.
Is it?
Kind of.
A little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
Let's touch this one again. Oh, this one's very cold. Very cold now.
Oh, yeah.
And that's good. That's what we need. Touch this one. I don't know if this one's getting very cold. This might be a problem with the coolant or the Freon. This might have a leak in it. Even though the fan's working. See the fan running? See the fan running?
The fan's running.
Okay. But this one's
not too.
Let's compare it. Touch this one again. Oh, that's very cold.
Super cold.
Super cold.
And it's like watery.
And that's what we want. We want the water to drip down here into the pan. Okay. Wow, that's super cool.
Yeah.
This one, not so much.
Yeah,
Not so much. Not so much.
yeah, that's not cold at all.
Definitely not cold compared to this one. This
Yeah.
one is freezing cold. And that's what we want.
Yeah.
Alright. You see it? See the condensation? You see the water starting to get on these coils?
Yeah.
And you see the water on these?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Oh,
There's
wait.
no water.
Oh, yeah, that's what I mean. Like, no.
Yeah,
This one's like wet.
This one,
and
I
this
think the
one
coolant is
dry.
done over here. Coolant, or there's a leak. Something's not right with this one. Maybe we'll just keep it for parts, I guess. I don't know. This one's super cool. You can see the condensation.
Yeah,
See how
that
wet
one's
that's
really
getting?
good.
See that getting wet? It's getting wet. Condensation. And then I can't see in there, but it's got to be dripping down in there.
Oh, yeah, I see it's
You
wet.
see it dripping in there? That's a good one. This is not good one. Something's not right. Alright, bye-bye. Now we know something's not right with this one.
Yeah.
We'll keep it for parts. We'll get rid of this. I don't know.
Bye.